Okay, the name of our project is COP27, decarbonization. We we choose that title because the COP27 is just happening. It was from November 8th to 18 November, I guess. So, what we put and I said about the information, it's definitely new information. So, um, let's start at the moment of investigating and even reviewing the videos from the presentations developed at COP27. We have not only been able to see the importance of opening up this type of space for developed and developing countries, but also the importance of what these discussions that are open continue through action, not only when the conference is near or when the crisis is catastrophically impacting communities. We have also seen that the Sustainable Development Goals play a very important role in the sense that they give continuity to sustainable development from a social, economic, political, and above all, environmental perspective. Um, how well we know when an interaction between leaders arises, especially at the international level, the results will never be fully foreseen, since once countries like the United States or Colombia agree and state social problems that each of them may suffer, especially as a consequence of climate change, the corresponding actions are completely different, the impact is completely different, the continuity will be completely different. And I talk about the financing, I mean the economic part. I know we know that it's completely different from United States, from Colombia, and it is difficult to conclude that we have to completely abstain from fossil fuels, especially from the perspective of the social impact that this will have, as the workers who depend on these companies will see the economy of the countries that depend on these companies directly related and accepted. However, it is precisely a consequence of this position that the energy transition policies are not held firm, which still has us today in an environmental crisis that continues to increase and that continues to deteriorate the biodiversity of each of the countries' life quality and what we are going to leave to the new generations. So, what can I conclude? That it will be essential that in some way international commitments be established, fully committing the development of environmental policies that are driving the energy transition, and the decarbonization process does not result in a negative cycle again, in the sense of an economic model that does not result in a circular economy, in a green economy, that does not adapt to ecology, that does not adapt to the new environmental thinking. Thank you.